दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, एंड वीकेंड आउट के हर एपिसोड में हम और आप मिलते हैं। दिस इज एक्चुअली अ वेरी बैड अटेम्प्ट, लेकिन मैंने बहुत सोचने की कोशिश की। आई कुडंट कम अप विद एनीथिंग बेटर टू स्टार्ट आवर दिवाली स्पेशल ऑन वीकेंड आउट। नाउ वील लीव माय पुअर शेर और शायरी एबिलिटीज बिहाइंड एंड हियर्स विशिंग यू अ वेरी हैप्पी दिवाली। मे दिस दिवाली एक्चुअली ब्रिंग इन अ लॉट ऑफ लाइट इनटू योर लाइफ। ये दिवाली आप सबको बहुत मुबारक हो। नाउ देखिए, मैं जानता हूं दिवाली इज अ वेरी होमली अफेयर, इसीलिए दिवाली का ये शो मैं होस्ट कर रहा हूं अपने घर से, क्योंकि मैं जानता हूं कई सारे लोगों को दिवाली के वक्त अपने घर की बहुत याद आती है। आपको याद आती है उन चीज़ों की, उस धूमधाम की जिससे दिवाली घर पे मनाई जाती थी। बट दैट इज surely changing in the UAE as well, क्योंकि अब यहाँ पर like any other festival दिवाली भी बड़े धूमधाम से मनाई जाती है। एंड इनफैक्ट यहाँ पर कई सारी बेहतरीन एग्जीबिशंस भी होती हैं जहाँ पर आपको अपनी दिवाली की तैयारियां करने का मौका मिलता है। उनमें से एक एग्जीबिशन थी नुमाइश। टेक इट। For Diwali shoppers, Numaish turned out to be a shopping paradise. This shopping experience was a kaleidoscope of talent and presented an opportunity for shoppers to choose from a variety of inspiring collections for this festive season.
Numaish started with the concept of getting designers from India and Pakistan all under one roof. We try to focus on, established and emerging designers. It's a festive season, Diwali and Eid coming up. So we're trying to do like a one-stop destination for your shopping, for your house, for your jewelry, accessories. Everything will come under one roof. That's the concept of this Numaish.
Numaish offered an eclectic product mix of fashion couture, jewelry, accessories, and art. 70% of the designers had never showcased their collection earlier in the UAE, so the shoppers were looking at fresh designs and styles, and for the people in the UAE, new is always welcome. With new designers, this year Numaish also featured well-known designers who have showcased their collection not only in the UAE but also at the Lakme Fashion Week. Designers like Purvi Doshi, Gaurang Shah, Raw Mango and many others displayed their latest collections.
For me, in every festival has all the fabrics in how you're making it, how you're wearing it. So I have cottons, malmal, silks and ikats and everything, and it combines with the hand ari embroidery of India.
We are working with more than 450 weavers all over India. We are into only handcrafted saris and outfits. Very less of embroidery, but more of tussars, khadi, upada silks, kanjivarams, these kind of weaves we do.
Now this was the third edition of Numaish and the shoppers seriously got a great shopping experience, क्योंकि home decoration ideas से लेके gifting ideas तक Numaish में सब कुछ available था. Now this was like going to just one place and doing your entire Diwali shopping in just one day. इसका एक फायदा और ये भी होता है कि दिवाली शॉपिंग का जो झटका लगता है आपके वॉलेट को, वो एक ही बार में लगता है and then it's over. With personal styling sessions by Ala Moda, health and lifestyle consultations, art exhibitions and over 60 designers from across India, Pakistan and the UAE, the third edition of Numaish was a treat to all the fashionistas and shoppers.
Ala Moda was started last year because after doing clothes for 23 years, custom-made clothes and bridal trousseaux, I realized people still get completely lost when they're at an exhibition, a store or whatever. And I feel with the new need of the market, you need to have styling redefined, which means we first look at your existing wardrobe, your figure type, and then help you shop according to your lifestyle. So in that sense, you will get different variety and you're not stuck with one look for the season and you're not aping your friend and you're not just blindly becoming a fashion victim. So that's the concept of Ala Moda.
हर त्योहार के कुछ रिवाज होते हैं। जैसे दिवाली के त्योहार का रिवाज होता है कि आप दिए जलाएं, लाइट्स लगा के अपने घर को सजाएं, रंगोली बनाएं, मिठाई खिलाएं, और एक सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट रिवाज होता है वो ये कि आप नए कपड़े खरीद कर पहने। नाउ वी ऑल से कि यार ये तो लड़कियों को बड़ा मजा आता है, बट द ट्रूथ इज कि जितना मजा लड़कियों को आता है उतना ही मजा हमें भी आता है नए कपड़े पहनने में। और अगर ये कपड़े डिजाइनर हो तो क्या बात है। एंड फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू हु आर लुकिंग फॉर सम डिजाइनर क्लोथ्स, Ara Fashions was one place you needed to visit. Ara is a beautifully designed multi-designer store that offers an ultimate shopping experience with its incredible choice of designers from India, Pakistan and the Middle East all coming under one roof. The main objective is to provide outfits that maintain a balance between modesty, style, practicality and comfort.
I started my career with working for Tarun Tahilani, Manish Malhotra, JJ Wala. I'm basically from fashion industry and always wanted to do something with fashion designers. This is my fantasy actually.
Now the best part about Ara Fashions is that it's a multi-designer store, which means there's something for every taste, something for everybody. अब अनारकलीज हो या फिर ब्राइडल लहंगास, Ara Fashion में आपको सब कुछ मिलेगा. With special attention given to luxurious desires, they also specialize in clutches and bags that can be a perfect addition to any glamorous evening. And not just bags, but their gorgeous accessories are also very eye-catching.
See, I have designers like Sabyasachi, Rimple and Harpreet, Varun Behel. Now I've launched Neeta Lulla, Payal Sharma. Neeta Lulla is a wonderful person, very beautiful lady and very soft-spoken. And her collection, if you can see, it's all neon and colorful.
I want to congratulate Hina Hussain for the lovely store she has made, and I'm very, very happy for her and wish her all the luck.
The brand is endorsed by the Nautanki Sala actress Pooja Salvi, who looked stunning in the outfit she wore, which obviously was by Ara.
One thing I like about Ara is it has India's all top designers under one roof, which I don't think they have anywhere else. So I think a customer coming in Ara would have a wide variety of choices from Indian designers to Pakistani designers. So I think it's a good shopping point for Indian wear.
अब वक्त हो चुका है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का, लेकिन ब्रेक के बाद जब हम वापस आएंगे तो हम आपको एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज दिखाएंगे. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक यू थ्रू सम वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग दिवाली मेन्यूज इन दुबई.